So I think Guruji is teaching me how to stand in front of public. The last time I had to do a talk at Yale, I was very nervous. um, but okay, so I want to speak to all the young adults because, so when I was applying to Yale first, closer? Okay. So yeah, so I had decided to apply for my master's right before COVID. So, and my dream school was Harvard for many, many years, which I never spoke about because I was like, people like me do not get into Harvard who barely passed in school. So, but I ended up applying right before COVID happened, and um, so I didn't get in, and I was very upset. And I was like, Guruji, because I had written to the dean of the school I was applying to that this is what I want to do and this is the course I'm applying for. And he said that, oh, you fit perfectly in the program. But I got a rejection. And I was so upset. I was so upset. And soon after that, COVID happened. And we learned eventually that you couldn't differ. If you had paid and you chose to not attend, you lose your money. If you do attend, you do school from home. So that means if I had gotten, I would be sitting in Delhi attending one of the best schools in the world, not actually attending, but just doing submissions. So anyway, so because of that rejection, finally when things calmed down and like schools started opening up again and all of that, I decided I'm not doing Ivy Leagues. I will apply to colleges in the UK. And I did early application and I got through both. And I was very happy. And this was in December. And I was like, "Theek hai, I'm going to go to Goldsmith. It's a very good college for art." And I had written to them saying, yes, I'm coming in. I've accepted my uh, offer. And then it was 5th Jan 2023. We had gone for a satsang, and there was an uncle there who was talking about that, we are so used to saying, ki, I hope ye ho jaye, Guruji, ye kar do mere liye, please, Guruji. That the thing we forget is that there is only so much we think we're capable of in our own imagination. But Guruji knows way more for you. So anyway, so 5th of Jan, this has been said in a satsang, and I sit in the car and I get a message from Yale. Now, I had made my Yale application account when I'd applied to Harvard, but I'd never applied to Yale. And I get a message saying application deadline is in 4 days. Your application is something about do not forget to submit, and basically sending a reminder. And I had created this account end of 2019. So there was no reason why I should have been getting this mail. So now that I got this mail, I was like, "Theek hai, ghar jati hu and I will apply." I went back home. I didn't make any changes in my application to another college, which is not how applications happen. But I was like, anyway, let's just do it. Again, I did it because this message came right after that satsang. I didn't think I would. So there are 2 rounds. One is the second round is your interview round. So I didn't think I was going to get through. But anyway, meanwhile, I've sent this application 4 days before the deadline. And I'm emailing Goldsmith saying, okay, let me know what the next steps are about the payment. And I was applying for scholarships and all of that. And they stopped replying to me. Like, I stopped here. Like, it didn't exist anymore, this university. And I got through the interview round, and then I was like, so anyway, so I'm still messaging Goldsmith saying, waiting to hear from you every 2 to 3 weeks. No reply. Then, of course, I get my Yale acceptance, and then Goldsmith after 2, 3 days replies. So, so of course, the whole point was that it was supposed to be Yale, and had it been not for that satsang or that email coming because of Guruji, that I won't have applied. And so the last thing I want to share is because, as I go to Guruji every week when I'm in Delhi, and we're used to hearing that Guruji की fragrance आती है, Guruji dreams में आते हैं, and मेरे dreams में नहीं आते Guruji. And so I used to feel upset कि Guruji आप मेरे dreams में नहीं आते, you know, and my sister gets so many dreams. And I used to feel like, yo, she's his favorite. And but that's not a thing. I think Guruji has a different relationship with everyone. For me, I don't get his dreams. I very rarely get his fragrance. I last got his fragrance abhi end of semester. I was not being involved in classes because I was like, ho gaya khatam, ab kya karna hai? And of course, I could smell Guruji. So I was like, okay, I should pay attention in class again. But yeah, sometimes yeah, I cheat when I can really feel him. But no, so the reason why I want to talk about not getting dreams or fragrance is not because that shows the absence of him. I think in everything we kind of do and are doing and not doing, Guruji is watching. Like during COVID, I remember jab Delta start hua tha, I think that was 2021. And so my sister had got COVID and she was in Bombay and she'd got hospitalized. So Mama flew to Bombay. Papa came to Delhi, and at home, our help over there she was coughing. So Papa got scared because his treatment was also going on. And I was sleeping and I woke up to a message from him saying ki we have to go to the farm. And yeah, so when you wake up, don't come out of your room, just call me. And I got scared ki kaisa message hai ki don't get out of your room, call me. So anyway, he said we're going. Now Mama wasn't there was no one there, and I was getting upset with Papa ki what is going to happen with food and all of that, because the farm has a functional kitchen but nothing in it. So you have to still buy groceries. So I'm getting upset with Papa ki aise thodi na ja sakte and all of that. And he said, baby, we'll reach there and we'll figure it out. We reach the farm and we get a call from Bade Mandir saying ki hum langar bhej rahe hain, kahan bheje hain? And then, so our dinner was Guruji sending langar. But yes, so I hope for all the young adults who are applying for colleges and giving exams, know he's watching, because my finals in school, I failed everything. Mama was called. I did fail, I'm not exaggerating. I did fail. Mama was called saying, I hope you're ready for this daughter of yours to have to repeat. And of course, I studied, but Guruji took care of the rest, and I did really well. I'm at Yale now, so hence proved, but that's also Guruji. But so, yes, thank you. Jai Guruji.